Hi guys and welcome to the daily predictions. We are going to talk about how 28th of August is going to be for you. I hope you've watched the video of 27th of August because that's where we are starting from. That's going to be the starting point, and we have some very amazing cards. So hope something big happens on 28th of August and life's change for good. Okay, so 27th of August we saw a Six of Swords card where somebody was rowing the boat and we could see two rocks but we could not see the shore. Now on 28th of August, 27th of August, the card that was 28th of August, we can actually see the shore, and from the waters which had a lot of instability, which had a lot of there was a lot of disturbance, there was a lot of I'm not able to get the exact word, but there is a lot of disturbance there's a lot of disturbance in this water. And if you see here, the water is calmer. From all the ripples that were here, there is a very, very calm water, and this person is actually moving towards the shore. So the energy is moving, the person is moving, and the situations are moving towards something more comfortable, better, and sure. And this could also show a time where you travel. So there could be the travel, and there could be a possibility where you traveled on 27th and you come back on this day of 28th of August, or this could be like literal movement in your life, or this could be internal movement that from like the disturbed waters or disturbed emotions, you move towards some more soothing and balanced emotions. The second card here is the World card, and I don't know why, but this face kind of resembles somebody, but if you see this card, in this card there is a person here, there is a bird here, there is an animal like a vegetarian animal here, there is a wild animal here, and there is like the nature or the cosmos here, and the whole world is coming together. So either some people will visit you, or your world will complete, or something better is going to come into your life, or some new changes are going to come into your life. So something better is coming your way, something beautiful is coming your way, the growth is coming your way, and the world is going to be together. And there could be a possibility where some authority kind of addresses you and or everybody. So this could be at a world level, and this could be also where you were waiting for some messages from authority, God, divine, and those messages come your way. The third card is again very beautiful. It's a card of Empress, and Empress is growth, Empress is motherhood, Empress is beautiful energy, Empress is connected growth of everybody around, and this card basically says that for those of you who are planning for pregnancy, there could be a good news that might come today, and for rest of you, it is good time for growth. You're going to see the growth, you're going to see the result of your hard work. There is going to be more of that loving, motherly, caring energy in the environment for you. The next card that we got is King of Swords, and King of Swords we already relate to somebody. And if you see this King of Swords, there is a bird sitting on his hand. The bird is all set or ready to fly. Here the bird is all set and ready to fly, and bird is also wearing kind of a war suit and something on the head, the crown, and the king is wearing the war suit. The sword is raised high and the war is begin. So this is about communications, this is about taking actions, this is about moving forward, this is about understanding your power. And yes, the 28th of August will help you understand all of that and raise your sword high, communicate with power and authority. And the next card again is a very beautiful card because this is Eight of Wands, and the wands have flowers on it, right? So there are some communication coming your way which are emotional, which are beautiful, which are passionate. So these wands, somebody corrected me that these are not wands, these are wands. So I will try to correct that pronunciation for me, but thank you so much. So these are wands, and some wands are coming your way, and they have lot of growth on them, and it is moving towards your emotions, water. So this is again a very, very beautiful card to have. And the last card is again, like I was thinking that what would be the last card in the Hindi video when I was taken out the cards, because I don't know, I shuffle and they come out. So the last card I was amazed to see because it is Tower, and if you see, the crown of the king is falling away, the lightning has struck, the crown is falling away, the king and queen are actually falling out, and this tower is actually the tower of the devil. So whoever was there with the devil is going to fall out. So there is going to be some major changes. There's some major changes that are going to happen if you are towards the spiritual journey journey or soul journey, there is a crown opening up for you. There is a major change there. And if you are into, or somebody is into any kind of negativity, then the impact is going to be there, because finally the divine intervention, this is called the divine intervention, where divine intervenes and says, okay, that is it, now the change has to begin. And that's the Tower moment. And so these cards beautifully well depicted, and these cards are saying that some positive messages are coming in your life. Tower card also at times is a warning against accidents or falling or something like that. So take care of yourself. Pregnancy or good news or good communications are on the way. So very, very beautiful energy, and some good changes. Communicate well, communicate with authority, and some good changes and good messages are coming your way. The second set of cards that I took out was surrender cards. It says surrender to setting limits. That is said, it says it is healthy to set boundaries in relationships. Practice expressing your needs, and remember that no is a complete sentence. So yes, you will have to, with so much happening, you will have to set some boundaries, set limits, some limits. And if you see in this card, there is rain outside. This person is looking out from the mirror, but the person is not really going out. Or it could be the other way. There is a rain and the person is in the rain but doesn't want to go to the other side. So this is where there's probably some boundaries that will be set for some people. You might set some boundaries for others. Others might set some boundaries for you. But if you don't want to get into something, just say no. That's the complete sentence. Set boundaries and don't worry about it. The second card we got is surrender to receiving support and love. And it says allow the love and support of others in rather than trying to handle everything yourself. This can take pressure off and simultaneously nurture you. And there is more nurturing energy, more beautiful energy, more clearer energy. The clouds are moving away. The sun is shining. More clearer energy that is going to come, and that is why the whole world is standing by you, and let that support come in, and probably people are going to get together to fight for something. The next set of cards that I got, they are again very beautiful, because the first card was, and strangely, the first card was number 5, then number 6, and then number 5 again. So 5, 6, 5. This says soul satisfaction, and this says honor your uniqueness. Do what makes you feel good. And this person, this small little child is holding like some kind of a light and very, very happy, right? So new light is coming, and there is a rainbow here. Rainbows are hope. Rainbows are beautiful. They are like the divine energy. There is a heart that is illuminated for this person. There is a solar plexus chakra that is illuminated for this child. There is a throat that is illuminated for this. So some people will say things, some people will feel things, some people will express things, but there are a lot of positive energy that is going to happen, and do something that satisfies your soul. So do listen to your soul. That is going to be very important. Second card again is cosmic rainbow number 6, and says look for the pot of gold and accept joy. So it is said that in one end of the rainbow there is a treasure, there is a pot of gold that is kept. So finally you're going to find that pot of gold. So just ensure that you look for that pot of gold, and the prince or somebody is coming on a white horse with that pot of gold with him. So some positive energy, some positive news, and this also has a rainbow. So strangely 2 cards have rainbow. And the last card that I have says stand in your power, be passionate about your vision, bring about the positive changes. So whatever you vision, you can actually create that. This person is completely standing strong into his vision, and yes, whatever changes you are waiting for, whatever changes that you want to create, you can create those changes very well. Just believe in yourself and know that some big energies are at play already. Now let's just take out one additional card for you guys, as I always do. So let's see what is the message. Guides, angels. Okay, so cards kind of together jumped out. Okay. First card is 3 of Pentacles. This is the card that I started with when I was doing my Hindi video on live, and then because I couldn't show the cards very clearly, then the video was not clear, I didn't do the live. But yes, this card says do what you love, recognition for the highest quality of works, especially creative endeavors, be paid well for your craft, working well with others, and excellent reputation. So you're going to get results of your hard work. There's a possibility of further study. There's a possibility of completion of something that you've been doing. There's a possibility of increasing your talent or getting recognized for what you've done. So a lot of recognition, a lot of positivity, a lot of new changes that are coming your way. The second card is again very beautiful, High Priestess, and if you see, Priestess is ready with the fruit, and this says meditate and turn inward to discover your soul's Pentacles, true desire. It is not the time for action. Develop your intuition, gifts, and trust the wisdom you receive. So there are some positive messages, there are some positive wisdom, there is some spirituality, there is some new beginning that is happening for you. And this card has the words which are from the priestess, which is Rider-Waite. But here, if you see, the priestess has opened the book and she has the fruit as well. So definitely some clarity, some secrets coming out, some positivity coming out. That's there on the cards. The next card is Page of Pentacles, and it says scholarly, cheerful, dependable, mischievous, time to get to work. An excellent opportunity presents itself. Happy news about your career promotions or scholarship, a new area of study. And there are so many books behind her, and there is a rabbit, and rabbits are known for their speed. There is a lot of learning that is there. So this is the day for learning. This is the day for growth. This is the day for knowing more things. This is the day for focus. This is the day for getting more opportunities, promotion, growth, or some good news is coming your way. And amazing, the last card, we all know this card, right? So Page of Swords, it says logical, perceptive, insightful, blunt, and exciting intellectual change, brilliant insights, information that you need but might be challenging to receive. Review all documents very carefully. And there are butterflies, there is a knight, there's a page who's sitting with the sword, and all set to come, and just analyzing and just looking. And we've seen this card before as well, right? So the cards are saying that now finally the art is complete, the secret is coming out, people are ready, the text is ready, and the prince is just waiting, or the page is just waiting, and the information might be there, but receiving is a little difficult. So transformation always takes time, but all seeing eye, so he's looking at everything, right? So know that you are being looked at, know that you can move for higher study, you can move for better education, you can take up what you want, you can build your talents into something better, and there are new energies coming your way. So beautiful cards. I hope 28th of August brings some beautiful changes for you guys, and I will see you with the next video very soon. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. All the best.